everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our brand new gas fryers. This is going to be a 70-pound natural gas fryer. Brand on this unit is our own company brand, Cooler Depot. As you can see right here in the front, we have our brand. Now before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and measure this unit out for you so you know the measurements. Starting with the length, you're looking at a total of 21 inches. Okay, 21 inches for the length. For the height on the wheels, you're looking at a total of 5 inches height on the wheels. Now the wheels do have breakers on them as well. Okay, now front to back measurement, you're going to be looking at a total of 30 inches, okay, front to back. And the overall height for this fryer, including the wheels, you're looking at a total of 45 inches high. Okay, so that's going to be the measurements for this fryer. Also on the back, we have our connection for the gas. Okay, so that's going to be located on the back of this unit. Okay. Also, we're going to go ahead and measure these baskets for you. Measurements on the baskets, you're looking at a length of 9 inches. Front to back will be 13 inches. Bottom to top, 6 inches. Okay, so that's measurement for the baskets. Baskets are provided. You have 2 baskets for this fryer. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and show you the inside. And if we open up this door, you'll be able to locate on the inside door plaque with all the information on this fryer. You can locate on here the model, gas type, BTUs. BTUs for this unit is 150,000 per hour. So you can locate that right there, as well as certifications. Also on the inside, we have our burners. You have a total of 5 burners for this fryer. You also have your oil drain on the front, and on the very bottom, we have our adjuster, temperature adjuster. Okay, so that's going to be all located on the inside for this fryer. As I mentioned, this is a 70-pound natural gas fryer, brand on our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Okay, so if you're interested in one of these fryers, simply go to our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update all the information on the website, including the price for this exact fryer. Now, if you have any other questions, you can also give us a call, and we'll help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.